You have to make a template folder in your project where the form HTML and CSS file will be stored. You can make submitted page, this is optional. I have made a form.html and a submitted.html. You have to make a Python file outside the templates folder, then follow the code. You also have to download a SQL Server. In my case, I downloaded the Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS for it. They both combined were between 1.6 GB to 11.5 GB. Then make a new database and make a new table in it. Give it a name. You have to install Flask and PyPyODBC libraries. Remember, there are two PyPy in PyPyODBC library. Now run it. Press Ctrl and click on the HTTP address, or you can copy the address and paste it in the search bar. Enter your name. Enter your email. In this I enter a fake email, but if you are making a real website you will have to edit "tis" to not accept fake emails. It has redirected us to the submitted page. Now open your database. Inside it, open your table. Remember, you have to set up a SQL code to see the content. Here is my code. It is pretty small because it is just used to show the result. Press F5 to run it. Here is the fake email and the name. This code just takes the database and selects the table with their name. Hope you liked the video.